Where's the what? Did that just say where's the beef? What the hell even is this game?
He crashed over by the school. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today.
Ah, good.
These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. Is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot
I
of
thought that was
secret
his.
meetings with guys
That was
I
her
think
mother
are
first.
college scouts.
God
My
damn.
little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God,
What the
she and
fuck?
my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school! I'm so lame. Ugh! I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen!
Jesus Christ. You know what, when I started this game, I really did not expect it to go like this. This was like my last thought. I don't know why. Guys, actually, you know what? You guys probably don't know what the game is. This is LolliPop Chainsaw. I thought it looked fun, so I decided to play it. I remember, this is a really old game, but I wanted to try it anyway. Also, you guys might be wondering why I've not been able to upload for a while. I blame that entirely on my editing software. It decided to take an entirely crazy big shit on my chest, and I really fucking hate it right now. For some reason, the thing I'm trying to edit is just fucking deciding, yeah, it's annoying. But let's do this. Let's start this game. Let's see how this goes. Bro.
Oh my god!
Well, you can definitely tell when this game was made.
Dude, the hell?
I can already feel I'm gonna love this.
And on my birthday, too! Like I'm not already late enough! Gross! Stupid!
Okay, I feel bad for him now. Jesus.
Douchebags! This is so irritating!
Oh my god. I did not realize that. Wait. Okay, it's gonna have... Okay, good. It's different than I thought it was going to be. Around circles. But I'm doing this for science. Do not be mad at me. Damn. Well, you all know what I was trying to do, so pretty positive no one could probably blame me for it. But how do I... Wait. Is it... How do I... Okay, so it is one of the A buttons. I thought it was going to be. Jesus Christ, this is a lot more action-packed and a lot weirder than I thought it was going to be.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick.
Oh, I'm just button mashing, I swear to God. Hey, stop hitting. Not nice. My fucking Jesus. Yeah. Under hit combo, I swear to God, I'll get it. Oh. Damn it, I was so close. Wait, never mind, I'm almost there. Can I jump? No, I can't. Alright. Juliet, let's see if you can slay more zombies. I don't know why, but this one reminds me of Sunset Overdrive. Also, don't be mad at me. I'm experimenting and trying to get an achievement, so... Also, depending on how this game is, I might see about 100% in this game.
Hold it right there, you zombie jerks.
Wait,
I'll help you.
what did it say? What? This game is so fucking good. Even though I'm not talking very much, which is maybe bad, but I don't know. What? Wait, SOS, what do you want me to do here? Oh, I need to kill 6 zombies, okay. I was wondering what the fuck that was. I thought it meant I had to kill them in 6 seconds, which I'm pretty positive I could do. I know there's zombies in all Juliet, but you don't have to kick them in the dick or credit card swipe them. That's kind of off limits, even for zombies. Where's the rest of them? Ah, get your butter. There we go. How do I help you, dude?
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm looking at this game and it's it's purple. It's really able.
Suck dick at driving.
So I'm really able to see like, oh, LolliPop. You're not called LolliPop Chainsaw or nothing. Also, what the hell was that about? Okay, can I hit the... I knew it, I can. Give me the medals. Can I hit the trash cans? Yes, I can. I will agree. I will say right now that I am just fucking doing a lot of crazy button mashing, but
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey,
you know what,
don't be looking at my skirt.
that was the last thing I fucking expected a zombie to fucking say. What the fuck? I know they're zombies, but do you think they can still get horny? Probably yes. I don't know. How do I kill zombies that are crawling? Got it. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. There we go. For some reason she goes down really low to the ground when she uses her chainsaw. Which, and for some reason, the chainsaw's on fire. It doesn't say anything. It's a demon weapon. She's a succubus. I've always wanted to meet a succubus. I've heard they suck. That was a shit joke, I apologize. What the hell is that about? Oh wait, I can cut this, can I? Oh, never mind. Do some acrobatic. Why not?
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Big whoop. What the fuck? Oh wait, B is a dodge attack? I did not know that. I did not even know there was a dodge in this game. For some reason I did not. I don't know how. Even though they make a lot of sense for there to be. Come here, you bastards. You wanna face the epic LolliPop chainsaw? Fuck. Oh fuck. Wait, what did that say? These like information nodes are very small. Hey, nope. Fuck. Fuck. I'm accidentally doing like fucking acrobatics over these guys' heads, which I'm really confused about. This game is just confusing in general. Actually, maybe not that confusing. Don't you dare call me a bitch. Wait, I forgot. Oh, this is how. I forgot. Man, this is good. Hell yeah. Hey, no. You're not allowed. Can I take his head?
Where am I?
Great. See one more. I got it.
Oh, he did. I was wondering whether he was going to do that, because like that he was really low in that helicopter, so I was wondering whether he was going to like fucking take their heads off with the blades, and that he did just that, which I'm very happy about. Okay, what's back here? Oh, I knew it. Yes, yes. Also, what's that gauge on the right? Because I think that looks really neat. I want to know what that is. What the fuck? Why is the black zombie driving?
Come on, get away from me.
Alright.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I'm trying to see if I can't like combo like the fuck combo the chainsaw like crazy crazy cool or a lot. Yeah. 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 There we go. That's what I wanted. Perfect. Get over here, you bastards. I want your head. And I want your head as well. Perfect.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
What? Excuse me?
Fuck off! Get away!
Oh, are you shitting me?
Glad to save somebody's life.
Fuck. It's not helpful when when I'm cast to try to protect someone. It's very hard to try to protect someone in this game, especially. I have no idea what this move I'm using is. I think it might be my heavy. But, like, whatever it is, it fucking kicks ass. Alright. This... Okay, there's some... Oh, I see a LolliPop. Wait, what? RT. Yes! Oh my god. Taste the rainbow. That sounded gay. Get over here. Get over here, bastard. I'm sure you all want to taste the rainbow. Wait, he's getting fucked. Wait, let me have this. Never mind, I need to go save this guy. Or somehow he's invincible right now. Yes! Hell yeah. Amazing. Why did the audio just go fucking silent as hell? I found the strat. Just smash, just like perfectly time the heavy attack button and you can kill everything. Wait. Oops, I will say that's my bad. Oh, yes. Also, why do I need to... What's so important about this guy? Do I need to protect him? Is he the person's son? Next game I will play... Yes! Hell yeah!
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where's the what? Did that just say where's the beef? What the hell even is this game?
He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
Chop, chop, chop.
Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Well, that was strange. And whoever thought, actually... Yeah, I wonder what other kind of things this chainsaw has.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Ah, yes. Also, what does the LolliPops do? Does it just like up my energy or something? What is the
God, I love shopping.
cool costumes? Oh. Would it be shitty of me to try to get one of these?
Click, click.
Part of me really wants to. I'm seeing also ones that I would really like. You know, I will go with... Oh, I can get skills in here. 100% getting skills. Let me... Both upgrades. See what kind of skills there are. Chainsaw. Chain. Maelstrom spin. Lolliocopter.
What should I get?
Jump stab. Zombie grab. Body smash. But I'm really curious about this one.
I found something.
Hold X and release will hit an enemy with... Oh. That sounds really convenient. I like it. Did I get it? Okay, yes it did. Good. What other kind?
What should I get?
Wait. Okay, I would... Yeah, let's get that one.
There it is, there it is.
A and then egg. A and then... Zombies may not walk correctly afterward. Oh. Okay, there's that. Wait, oh, it's interesting. What about this? Gotta be.
Click.
Okay, so that's the health upgrade. Why not get one?
There it is, there it is.
Sure. And another time.
Found something. Check this out.
You know, I'm just upping her health like crazy, and I want to see I want to see this move. Let's try it. 1xxx. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm so glad I got it. And I also got the butt smash. Oh, I did not realize. Okay. Being confused by a lot of things in this game. A lot. But speaking of butt, why can't I move my camera? My camera's stuck at an angle for some reason.
Get out of my way. I'm in a hurry.
Okay, yeah, I forgot what. Okay, zombies, come over here. I'm curious whether this works on you or not. Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. Now they're all on the ground. But that also leaves them perfectly open for butt smash. Okay, never mind. I thought that was like the butt slam and Elden Ring. You know, that one mod that people really like. Perfect. Okay, there's more. Okay, where's the rest of them? I see no more zombie flesh. What the fuck is happening here? Zombies, what are you doing? I'm really confused by this. But I'm sorry to cut your intimate moment short. There we go. Perfect. Hell yeah. Alright. Yes. Okay, what's over here? What are coins?
I'm drooling.
My god, they did a lot to this character. A lot of strange things to this character. Ah. Hell yeah. Do what for that? How to cook zombies. What's this one? Main characters. Hey, Rasha. Weird. Okay. Let's see about seeing if I can actually use the camera again. Because for some reason the game's locked the camera. Actually, you know what? I know why. More zombies. Wait.
No need to come out.
They have a drop kick in this game. That's fucking amazing. Hey, no. You're not allowed. Okay, so it's A and XXXXX. What the I love these fucking zombie voice lines. Whoever fucking made them is fucking genius. Hey, no. Oh fuck. Oh, what. I know I'm doing it to. I know I'm doing it in there, but I apologize. Oh god. Not realize that's what happens when you do it then. Hey. Why is he not dying? There we go. Oh my god, there's a lot of you. Walk off. Also, to reply to your earlier statement, no, I will not let you fuck my father. Oh. What? Hell yeah. I know this is a combo game, but I'm really just not listening to any of the combos. I'm kind of just doing my own thing. Button mashing thing. Since that's what I would do even if I played Mortal Kombat. I hear more of them. Coming in droves. Hell yeah. Okay, so it's RT to go into Rainbow Cheerleader mode. Also, I'm really low on health, so how exactly do I get more health? There we go. Yaw. That's close. That's close. And the helicopter's down.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
Also, why did that cop look like his...
I'm in a hurry.
Wait, George, what the fuck? What happened to you, George? George, no. Oh, fuck. This is hurting a lot more than I thought it was going to. Good thing this lolly's immune to fire. Fuck it. Fuck it. Do I need... Yep. Let's do this. Maybe that was overkill for one zombie. But he's a mini-boss, so he deserved it. Yes. Perfect. Where the hell did that come from? Oh, hazmat guy. Hello, buddy. Good to... this looks like it might be difficult.
People's property.
Is he going to throw that? It might be a bad idea. Oh shit, never mind. He's not going to throw that. Can I take this? Oh yes, it is. Okay, that's what that's for. Okay, makes a lot more sense now. Also, now I wish I did not use my ultimate right there. Fuck it. Okay, could I do butt slam? Okay, yes I can. Yes. 2 down, 1 to go. Fuck it. I'm gonna say that I'm probably not gonna be able to dodge in this game because... Fuck it. Fuck it. He's powering up. Shit. Get over here. Kill you the same way I did George. There we go. Hell yeah. Hazmat defeated. Also, don't mind me. Okay, from the looks of it, I cannot do that. I thought I could. I know how to do it. Never mind, I don't. Yeah, I'm just being a perv.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
I don't think Nick's okay. I think Nick might be a little bit not okay.
Nick? Nick, are you
Nick.
here?
Nicky
It's okay
Nick.
to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Nick's in the box. I know it. Listen to me. I know he's in the box.
Juliet!
Oh, never mind. Well, that surprised me.
Ah!
I'm so hungry.
Oh.
Ow! Shit!
I'm gonna say this game's on the level of Sharknado.
Okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Oh, no. It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you.
For a second there, I thought he was gonna.
Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
I thought he was gonna say something else for a second.
Nick.
Don't worry. Later on. Don't worry. Later on, Nick's all right.
No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
Oh shit.
I love you too, baby.
Oh. Fuck.
Well,
What level did I get?
Sweet.
Ah shit.
cool.
So I have to do this fast, huh? Damn. But I'll probably say C plus is pretty good. But I'm guessing there's S rank. There has to wait, 100 level 12. Oh, interesting. Oh, so this is how the game is. Like it's alright, let's do this. Sure, why not? Play some more. Even though I'll probably need to start over if I cannot complete this in like the next 13, 15.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay.
I love the way she says that.
Good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard, and I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Well, there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of...
A magical girl.
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
What the fuck?
Don't hate me!
I swear this game just keeps getting weirder and weirder.
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
I will have to say the music is pretty good though. I really hope I don't get copyrighted for this. Hell yeah. Lost one. Hell yeah. There we go. That's one taken care of. Wait, what's it?
Stupid zombie!
There we go. Perfect. Give me the coin. Now get out of here, Nick.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Her sister.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Honestly, if he's gonna be kind of like Mimmer from God of War, and I might honestly like him, even though I thought I was going to not like him. It's kind of strange, you know. You know, everything with the fact that, you know, he's on my waist and he's a decapitated head talking, even though I've actually seen it before. Oh shit. Hey, get off. Get off. Get off, you bitch. There we go. Miss Gibbons.
Uh-oh.
Would you like a fisting, Mr. Fiskivens? Alright, get over here. Oh, fuck. Okay. It's, X and... Fuck. There we go. Now. Oh, fuck, I forgot there's crawlers. Hey. Oh, shit. There he goes.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
And that's some weird ass slang.
Leave me alone!
Why the hell was she banging her head off the glass? I think, yeah, I'm very close to being able to get, what was it? Yes, my ultimate. Ultimate is here, and I'm ready to kill. Don't worry, mister. I'll save you. There we go. Hell yeah. Oh, okay, so I need to save him. Got it. On it. Don't worry, I'll save you guys. Why the hell are you on a table like that? Did I kill her by accident? I might have. Hey. Not nice. No hitting. There we go. That's taken care of, I think. Now, other place.
Let's go hang out after school. I fucked up my math test. I need help.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Fitzgibbons, no. Get a hold of yourself, Mr. Fitzgibbons.
He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Nick, I'm gonna be honest, you probably deserved a D. Fuck it. Oh, fuck. Hell yeah. Take that, Mr. Fitzgibbons.
I've got shit running down my legs from the...
Oh, shit. Oh, god damn it. It's a boomer. Damn, boomers in this society.
Fuck.
Okay.
I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Before
Why
we...
would somebody do that?
I want this one. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Stay back! Get off!
Stage 4.
Whoa, that was close.
Stage 4 zombie cancer.
5 o'clock news.
You should not be talking like that, Nick. You'll probably be on the 5 o'clock news. Wait. Why is... Excuse me, why are you headless and why? What the fuck?
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need
Oh.
to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Oh,
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
Wait, what?
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Really? Nick's actually useful? Okay, I'm super surprised by that.
Just like this.
Nick, try using. There we go.
2, 3, 4.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. How blue and stuff.
Damn. That was the last thing I honestly expected from Nick. Good job, Nick. I appreciate you.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Now, Nick, don't be all depressed. Also, how do I pick up the phone? I keep seeing that and I assume I need to pick up the phone. Menu.
Time to shop.
Wait, Nick, shake, what?
What should I get?
Jump stab. Chainsaw strike.
That's it!
Oh, that could be pretty useful. Let me see. So it's
Go!
Y. What? Wait. Y. There we go. Interesting. Nice. Okay, I'm probably going to stop here. Probably. And fuck. There's so many of them. Wait, I will stop after I save this guy.
Awesome.
There we go.
I adore you!
Go, Nick. Do your job. What the fuck?
Nick toss.
Well, this is beyond crazy. Hell yeah. I knew it. It's purple.
You're late, Juliet.
Huh? Oh shit. It was a trap.
Jerks trapped us in here.
How lame.
Fuck. I need to remember that I can do more of those like combos and be like super efficient. Okay, it's A and there we go. Why? Oh, zombie policeman.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop.
Oh shit.
Lame.
Okay, this is very difficult. Alright.
A
Fuck.
zombie with a gun? No fair.
Fuck it. I did not expect that. A. Damn it. Okay, yes. Use LolliPop. Okay, I won't use that yet. I want to see about using more of my moves. Fuck it. Damn. He's tough, but I am tougher. Oh shit. Hurt. Hell yeah. Okay, come on. Why the fuck? Oh no.
Man. Their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Come on!
Fuck.
How's that fun?
Explode, buddy. Explode. There we go. Hell yeah. Leave and there we go. Oh no. He's back again.
Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
Jump out the window, Juliet. I have no idea how a bus got on the second floor of the school building. I will not ask questions. I'll only answer it with a chainsaw. Okay. Let's help the chick. I'm coming to save you. Oh shit. Why are none of them going off? Even though I've hit them multiple times. Hell yeah. There we go. Oh shit.
Oh, watch out!
Jesus. Don't mind me, zombies. I will leave you. I'll leave you to your business.
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus. Come!
No, I will not come. Oh shit.
I'll be back for you.
Oh, you bitch.
Cool, asshole!
Okay, in here. Yeah, I'll stop here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Jiggle physics.